Urban Garden. So we're here with you, Ray. He's right here next to me. Oh, he's such a good boy. So we're at my garden box here. This is a cedar box I made about 6 years ago, and it's doing really fantastic. I mean, it looks like it's brand new. But in this box here, I planted 12 different lettuces, and we're gonna do what's called the come and come again thing. It's where you cut from the top, you take a little bit off the top. Of course, I'm a little bit behind here. I should have done this a little while ago, but it's not too late. So what you do is you just go through and you take a little bit off at a time, and it'll continue to grow back, and you'll enjoy lettuce for at least a couple weeks to a month, possibly. But I just take a nice knife like this, nice sharp knife, and I just come up here and just grab a little bit and just cut a little bit off, and you have all this nice fresh green lettuce. And just mix it up with everything that's in here. There's spinach in here, there's red romaine, there's green romaine, there is black-seeded Simpson, there is oak leaf, there's green salad bowl lettuce, and there's red salad bowl lettuce in here along with the spinach. And this little piece of lettuce, I'm really not 100% sure what it is. But it definitely looks beautiful, kind of like a piece of coral. But I'll bet it's pretty tasty. Let's try one. Not too bad. Nice flavor. Very nice flavor. Oh, look, Ray wants some. Come here, Ray. Come here. Come. There you go. You want some lettuce? I think he does. Okay, now we had the cedar box with the lettuce in there, and this here is a second planting that I did of mixed greens, which there's the same mix that's over there, but in this one there's some broccoli in there I can see, definitely a lot of red lettuce, but this will last us through February probably, but it looks quite beautiful all bunched together there. Okay, so here is a bunch of come and come again lettuce. We got 2 big, huge containers full. Look at that. That's going to be so yummy. So yummy. So this was the second area that I had planted, and this is what we did. We just went down there with a nice sharp blade and just cut a little off, and you watch in about a week or 2. This will be just as high as it was before. But hey, thank you for following me on Lavier's Urban Garden. You can follow me at Instagram, Lavier's Urban Garden, YouTube, Lavier's Urban Garden, and also at lavgar.com. That is the website where I have all my seeds that I collect from the garden. It's a nice little bag of fresh, organic, 100% organic lettuce. No chemicals in this food. So there you go, nice fluffy bag of fresh lettuce. And there's like 12 kinds in there. You can't beat that. Yum. People at my work are gonna love this. Again, beautiful, fresh lettuce. You didn't see that. There we go, guys. 5 bags of lettuce. That's a lot of lettuce. Boy, you guys at my work are gonna love this. And this is for me and Tim. Yum, yum. Have a great one.
Thanks for watching. Be sure to give this video a like if you want to see more like it. Subscribe to keep up with the garden. Comment down below if you have any questions or requests. You can find all the ways to connect in the description box, including lavgar.com, where you can buy seeds or view blog posts, and at Lavier's Urban Garden on Facebook, which is where new content is previewed. Until next time, happy gardening!